If you can find opportunity where others see only a threat, if you can step back to move forward, to see that your goals are met, if you can be good and think good and do good when others bend the laws, if you can gather your advisors and assets and align them all to a single cause, if you can listen to those with greater knowledge and then share yours among those with less, and beyond money, make ideas and effort the greatest things that you invest. If you can be quick and fleet of foot in every action you take, and take every stakeholder into account on everything you make, if you can look for ideas in new places and with greater focus than others, if you can reflect on your personal ambitions and make them real with the help of another, if you can retain your independence when temptation to follow calls, if you can build windmills when the winds of change blow, whilst others are building walls, then success will be yours, O high net worth, with your greatest ambitions in range. Yours will be opportunity in times of uncertainty, wealth in a world of change.